Welcome back. Finally, CCP has decided to terminate 330 workers, calling their strike illegal. CCP says that the daily wage workers cannot go on strike. Panaji Corporation will now give garbage collection on contract basis. As an immediate relief, CCP has managed to rope in 65 daily wage workers and KTC drivers. Police were all set to lift the CCP's daily wage workers who failed to lift garbage from capital city since the last 5 days. However, workers were not seen at Azad Maidan on Saturday. Union adamant over the strike.
The garbage in the capital city was getting piled up since past 5 days. Workers are on strike protesting against the CCP demanding regularization and wage hike. In an emergency meeting on Saturday, CCP decided to terminate all 330 workers, calling their strike illegal.
Daily wage workers cannot go on strike. Their strike is illegal, and all efforts to make them see sense has come to naught. We had finally, after repeated calls which were not responded to, had issued notices to them. They did not respond to written notices. We had given 24 hours, they have not responded. Further 12 hours were given, they have not responded. We placed before the corporation a proposal to terminate the services of these workers. As on now, all daily wage workers, including daily wage supervisors and daily wage drivers, stand terminated from the corporation.
Door-to-door collection of waste, housekeeping and toilet management in Panaji municipal market.
While the tussle between the CCP and the Safai workers was on, common Panjikar faced the garbage heat. Residents had a tough time as there was neither anybody to lift the garbage door to door, nor any dustbins placed in the colony. Many chose to dump garbage in Santinez Nala and Mandavi River. However, people got some relief on Saturday morning after CCP started door-to-door garbage collection. Panji police were all set to lift the workers from Azad Maidan who have been protesting against CCP since last 5 days. Sensing a crackdown, workers chose not to be at Azad Maidan on Saturday.
It is called a forced termination, which is bad in law. आमची ॲक्शन जी आसा न्ही आत्ताच हांव मिटींग हांगासर घेतलेली. परत एकदा सांगता तुमकां कोणाक विचारचें आसा जाल्यार पळया. The decision taken by them is only being communicated by me. Sir, you go ahead with. आमकां जे आसा हे डिसिजन मान्य ना काय न्ही. हे डिसिजन मान्य ना आमकां म्हणजे भीक नको पण कुत्रे आवर असं जर करत आसा कोणी जाल्यार आमी सुणे न्ही. आमी कुत्रे न्ही आणि आमी भीक घालपाक येवंक ना. आमी काम करता आणि जरुरीपेक्षा कामाचे आमी कमी दाम घेता. त्या कारण आमी जे आसा पळय आमचो न्याय पद्धतीन जो आंदोलन जो आसा न्ही चालू दवरतले.
330 workers of CCP are on strike demanding regularization of their services and doubling their daily wages. Now the future of these almost 350 terminated Safai workers faces a big question mark. Devendra Gaonkar and Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.